Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to all? Can I get the responses please? Hi Shalini. Hi Harsha. Hi Mohan. Hello. Good morning guys. Okay. All right. So today we have done with two classes guys. Okay. We have done with two demo classes. Okay. So in the last classes, what we have discussed that I will just tell. Okay. Firstly, see in the last two classes, in the last two demo classes, okay, we have discussed about this course, like what are the course timing and what is required for this course, okay, and what is the course duration, all that stuff that we have discussed. And the second demo class, we have discussed the complete syllabus. We have discussed the complete syllabus in the second class. Two classes we have done with. Okay, fine. So what we'll see today we'll see, okay, what is the importance, what is the importance of a Azure data engineers? What is the importance of Azure data engineers? We'll see. Then we'll see why companies, okay, why tech companies, I'll say why tech companies are looking for data engineers. Okay, and why data engineers are critically needed for every project, for every project. Okay, correct na? These topics we'll see today, because see, before you are starting anything, you should know na why you are learning, what will happen with this, what is your benefit. Correct? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. How many of you have taken the syllabus PDF already? The people who have not taken the syllabus PDF, can you please raise your hand? The people who have not taken the syllabus PDF. Okay. So it seems like this you people have joined today for the first time, right? Okay. Okay, fine. So there are approximately 5 to 6 people who have joined for the first time today. And I believe remaining people are joining from the previous classes, previous demo class. Okay. Praveen, just hold on. Praveen and everyone just hold on. See, I'll talk for first 30 minutes. For first 30 minutes, I will talk. Okay. Then remaining time is yours. Remaining time is for questions and answers. Okay. You give me first 30 minutes. The remaining time will be yours, guys. Okay. So we'll see today what is the importance of Azure data engineers. See here, guys, what I'm trying to say. Every project, okay, every project needs data engineers. Correct or not? Correct or not? I'll tell you one thing. See, Whichever website you take, whichever website you take in our generation, what are the top most websites? Okay, in our generation, in these days, in 2023, 2024, the topmost websites is netflix.com, right? Amazon.in, right? Amazon.in, swiggy.com, right? Zomato, right? Facebook, etc., etc. The list just goes on, right? These are the trending and the most used websites that we are having in these days, correct? Okay, in netflix.com, I'll say what Netflix is offering us. Netflix is offering us web series, videos, okay, stand-up comedy shows, correct? Stand-up comedy shows, and what is there? Uh, Live shows. No, not live shows. What is that? Podcasts, etc. So what is this? Web series, videos, stand-up comedy shows, podcasts, etc. What is this? This is one form of a data. This is one form of a data. Correct or not? This is the data in the form of videos. This is the data in the form of videos. If Netflix says that, okay, Netflix says that I'm not having any web series to show you. I'm not having any movie videos. I'm not having any stand-up comedy shows. I'm not having any celebrities, podcasts, and all. Will you take Netflix subscription? Will you take Netflix subscription? No, of course not. If Netflix is removing all these things or Netflix is saying I'm not having the data here, will you take Netflix subscription? No, absolutely no. Why? Because the main importance for any project or any web application is data only. So Netflix is rocking. Netflix is having millions and billions of customers all across the globe. Netflix subscribers we are having in India, Canada, Australia, UK, Germany, okay, US, Europe, all across the globe. Is why? Because of this data. So Netflix is having data in the form of a videos. Correct, na? Netflix is having data in the form of videos. If Netflix is saying no videos, nothing to stream, will Netflix business will work? Will anyone take Netflix subscription? No one will take Netflix subscription. So who is the key role here? Of course, other things is also there. Data is the major chunk. Data is the most critical thing that is needed for any business to run. Same goes to Amazon.in also. Amazon is having lot of data. Amazon is having lot of data. Okay, Amazon is having data in the form of, okay, Amazon is having data in the form of, okay, in the form of images, right? Videos, tables, comments, okay, reviews, etc., etc. All this is data only, na guys? Correct, no? See, if I go here for Amazon.in, see, if I go here, I go here to Amazon.in, if I say here, okay, see now, this is Amazon website. This is Amazon website. If I say here, just smart watches, I want to purchase a smart watches for men. I say here smartwatches for men. See, this is what? This is data only, images, data in the form of image, data in the form of image, data in the form of image, data in the form of image. This is what all data only. This is data only. All this is data only. Correct or not? If Amazon is not showing any data after you search this, okay, or you are searching Samsung mobiles. Let us take, you are searching for any Samsung mobile. Okay, see here what this is. This is again data, image, and see, these are plenty of data that Amazon is offering us. Let us take, okay, fine. I'm finding this mobile as in my budget. Let us take 12,000 rupees. If I click on this mobile particularly, see then again, this is image. This is data basically in the form of an image. Then see, this is video. Presenting Lava Blaze 5G smartphone. Okay, see. It is available in. This is what? This is again data in the form of a video. See? Glass blue and glass green colored, all in white YS and MediaTek diamond. Getting? Fine. This is again data. It is giving all the descriptions of about your mobile, features of the mobile. Okay. And here see, if you scroll down, if you come still down, see, this is what? A table. This is a table where it is showing you all the details of your mobile. Okay. And then if you still further scroll down, see, this is again description of your mobile details. This is technical details. Technical details of your mobile. This is a table. See, two columns we are having. These are the data. All data, complete data. So now this is what? Reviews. This is also one type of data. Correct? This is also one type of data. So Amazon.in is having data in the form of images, videos, tables, comments, reviews, etc., etc. And this data is only making your mind whether to purchase, whether to whether to take this mobile or not. So who is playing the major role here? Who is playing the major role here? Data is playing the major role. Data is playing the major role here. Guys, please don't write anything. Everything is getting recorded here. You will get all the key points what I'm writing. No need to worry. So likewise, if you see any business, Swiggy is also one business, food delivery business. Zomato is a food delivery big business. Facebook is also entertainment business. Correct or not? So any business you take, every business needs data. Will you guys agree with me or not? You guys agree with me or not? Tell me. Every business needs data. Now, to handle this data, to handle this data, to process this data, to manage this data, okay, to give value add, to give value add to the business, to give value to the business, to manage this data, to process this data, to transform this data. Okay. This data, who needs? Data engineers are required. Data engineers are required. Okay, see now, Netflix.com. If Netflix.com, this website is developed in Python programming, then Python developers are needed. Okay. Java developers, .NET developers are not needed because Python developers are needed because this website is developed on top of Python framework. But data engineers are compulsory needed for Netflix because Netflix is having lot of data. Okay. Amazon.in, let us take Amazon.in is developed on top of PHP programming. So here Python programmers are not needed. .NET Java programmers are not needed. PHP programmers are needed. Along with that, again, data engineers are needed because Amazon is having lot of data to be carried. Amazon is having lot of data to be managed, lot of data to be processed, lot of data to be handled. And who needs here to do all these things? Data engineers are required. In the same way, Swiggy. Let us take Swiggy application is developed. Okay, just assume on top of a .NET framework. It is developed on top of a .NET framework. So here .NET developers are needed, not Python, not PHP, okay, not Java. But Swiggy is again having lot of data, and Swiggy is carrying data in the form of what? Swiggy is carrying in the form of data in the form of tables, menus, right? What is the data for Swiggy? Okay, the data for Swiggy is like, biryani, okay, desserts, okay, chicken items, correct? Veg items. When you open Swiggy mobile app, you will see a lot of these things, correct or not? This is what again? This is data only. This is data only, na guys? If you are opening Swiggy and you are not getting all these menu items, will you download Swiggy in your mobile? No. What is again the key member here? Who is the protagonist? Protagonist means the main person. Who is the main person here? Again, data only. Again, data only. So if a Swiggy web application is being developed, whatever the front-end language, whatever the front-end technology has been used, either it's a .NET, PHP, Python, Java, React, Node.js, etc., etc. If it is .NET, then only .NET developers are needed. Okay. But data engineers are must. For every website, data engineers are must. Correct or not? I'm making sense. See, guys, I'm not teaching anything related to technical. I'm just making you understand why data engineers are critically needed. Why data engineers are critically needed for every project. Why data engineers are critically needed for every project that I'm making you understand. Very simple language, guys. Very simple language. I believe every one of you is using Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, Netflix. Like this, we are having lot of websites. We are having Netflix, we are having Prime Videos, we are having Z5, we are having Sony Live, right? We are having Sony Live, we are having MX Player. Lot of websites are, these are what OTT platforms. OTT platforms which are having data in the form of videos, comedy shows, stand-up shows. YouTube is also one of the very famous platform wherein most of the people will watch the videos and all that stuff. So every business needs data. Either it's a entertainment business, it's a food delivery business, it's a e-commerce business, it's a social media business. Facebook. What is Facebook, guys? Facebook is also carrying data. And every business carrying data in one or the other form. Correct now? In every business, data is being carried by one or the other form. Now, Facebook, if you see Facebook, what Facebook? Facebook is also carrying it in the form of posts, right? Likes, shares, going live, correct? Going live and poke. What else is there? Comments, etc., etc. This is all what data only. See, if you take Facebook, social media platforms, if you take Facebook is there, Instagram is there, or you take X, Twitter, okay, Snapchat, okay, TikTok, etc., whatever it is. Okay, fine. So these all social media platforms also needs data, post and all. See, in Instagram, we are spending hours of time, correct? We are having every one of us having Instagram account, Facebook account, and we are spending lot of time. Why we are spending in lot of time on Instagram? Because in Instagram there is a huge content. There is a huge content in Instagram. What we'll do, we'll follow the celebrities. We'll follow our favorite celebrities. Either we'll follow sportsman, or we'll follow Bollywood, Tollywood celebrities, or we'll follow any big businessmen. We'll follow the leaders, people based upon their interest, they will follow. And what these people will do, if you take celebrities, they will frequently put their photos, reels, right? Correct or not? And we are keep on watching the reels for hours and hours because we like. Let us take for an example any favorite celebrity, Mahesh Babu. Mahesh Babu is one of the topmost star. Now, the people who are following Mahesh Babu on Instagram, lot of content will get generated about the his upcoming movies, his past movies, his personal life, where he is going, what he is attending, etc., 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 etc. Or any favorite actress. Correct? I don't know who is the favorite actress here. Whatever it is, okay. So the point I'm trying to make here is all this is because of data only. If you open Instagram, if you are not finding any reels, if you are not finding any good content, good posts, will you spend lot of time on Instagram, Facebook? No. Why you are spending lot of time? Because of data only. So that is what I'm trying to say here is whatever the okay, whatever the application is, okay, either it's a food delivery application, entertainment application, or traveling application, etc., etc., whatever the application is, if okay, that business application is not having data, then that application or business is not successful. 100% it won't be successful. 100% it won't be successful business application. Okay. Getting guys, why tech companies are looking for data engineers? Because why tech companies are looking for data engineers? Because tech companies means who? Tech companies means like Infosys is there, TechM is there, IBM is there, okay, and Entity Data, TCS, and Accenture, etc., etc. These are all the tech companies. These are all the tech companies. So, who is developing these projects? Netflix.com, Amazon.in, Swiggy, Zomato, Facebook. Who is developing this platforms? Who is developing? These tech companies are developing, right? So now, as every business application needs the data, now to handle this data, to handle, to process, to manage, to load, to display the data on the website, to load the data on the databases, okay, to transform the data, to transform the data, the data engineers are required. The data engineers are required. Without data engineers, no website can be developed. No website can be developed without data engineers. That's why the tech companies are struggling for data engineers, are looking for data engineers. You are the people who is giving the actual value to the business. I tell you simple example. Okay, these all OTT platforms. OTT platforms is our favorite. If this OTT platforms is saying that we don't have, unfortunately, any videos, any web series to show you guys, will you subscribe? Will you pay money here? No, of course no. Genuinely, you are not interested. So the entire business game is on top of data only. Okay, is that clear? And especially if you see here in our generation, okay, in our generation, we are having lot of sources wherein the data is getting generated. Okay, see, smartphones are generating the data. Smartphones are generating data. Means what? What we are doing with smartphones? We are taking selfies, right? Contacts, photos, right? Reels that we are uploading on social media with our smartphones only, right? And then live locations, okay, mobile apps, etc., etc. Then next we are having data like, bank transactions, right? Web series, correct? Sensors are generating the data, and medical records, hospitals are generating data, and then social media platforms are generating the data. Social media platforms, they are also generating the data, correct or not? Posts, likes, follow-ups, shares, reels, YouTube shorts, okay, comments, fights, okay, lot of content is being generated by social media. And then next we are having news channels. News channels are generating lot of data, correct or not? News channels is also having lot of data getting generated even from their side also. Okay, they are having, they are having, we can say here, they are having live debates, they are having prime time shows, okay, they are having Dunyadari show, where they will tell all across the globe. They are having movie reviews shows, okay. They are also having lot of programs. News channels are also generating, running lot of programs. And as per the survey, only in India or in Indian languages, Indian languages, we are having, 1024 news channels, 1024 or something, 1012 news channels. We are having news channels in English, Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi. Oh my God. Lot of languages are, because in India we speak multiple languages. Gujarat, one language. Uttar Pradesh, one language. Tamil, one language. Canada, one language. Hyderabad, one language. Like this, obviously we are having a lot of news channels also. So this news channel itself is generating lot of data, guys. So these are all what the sources wherein data is getting generated. Okay, as the smartphones become normal, as the smartphones became normal, okay, affordable, okay, then data generation, okay, came to zottabytes, yottabytes. Okay, like this, the data is getting generated. GBs and TBs of data is gone. GBs of data we used to generate 10 years back. GBs. Now we are having data in terabytes, zottabytes also. Terabytes, okay, zottabytes, yottabytes. This also, the data is getting generated now. TBs is 100% we reach terabytes of data. Zottabytes of data also will reach in 2-3 years now. Lot of data is getting generated. Social media platforms, can you imagine? Just in one social media platform, how much data is getting generated? We are having a lot of social media platforms. Facebook, right? Insta, okay. Twitter, which is now X, okay. And then many social media platforms is there, guys. Can you imagine? So this is all what data only. This is all what data only. See, just if I give you an example of Amazon, see, whatever you search here, it is showing you in the form of data. If I search here anything, let us take, if I search here for something, I can call it as TVs, smart TV. Okay, smart TV. I'll take here 43 inch. Okay, 40 plus inch. See how many TVs are you showing? See, and this is again special filters. If you want a price range of 20 to 30,000, 30 to 50,000, lot of options are there. This is a smart TV. See how much data is there. See, same applies to Flipkart also. Okay, even aviation industries is also generating data only. If you go for indigo.com, let us take, if you go for Indigo Airlines example, okay, and if you go here, if you want to book a flight, okay, if you are saying that from Hyderabad to London, okay, I am saying that from Hyderabad to London, I want to travel on, okay, I'll give any date. Let us take on 16th of February. If I search here for flights, see, this is this is what indigo.com. This is indigo.com. This is completely aviation business, aviation industry. This is not entertainment. This is not food delivery. This is not a social media and all. This is completely an aviation industry. See here, this is what? This is data only. See, it is showing you a flight details. It is saying that morning 5:55 we are having a flight. Okay. And the price is 49,150 rupees. Okay. And now here you are having plenty of options. Like, if you want, you can add a round trip. If you want, you can add a regular or doctors and nurses, what category students might be, they will give you some discount and all. How many passengers, senior citizen is there, children is there, infant is there. Lot of things that you can put here and it is showing you the data. If you say here same, if you say here Dubai, you say here Dubai International Airport, and if you search here, see, you are going to get a flights here. Okay. What is this Dubai DXB? So see, you are getting flight details. This is what, this is also one type of data only. This is also one type of data only that we are having it. Okay, I'll just say here, March. I want to travel in March. Let us take. Okay, it is showing only one flight. I don't know what is the point here. I think might be for Dubai, there is only one flight on this date. whatever it is. So see, this is what data it is showing me. Okay, it is showing me this data. So the point I'm trying to make here is every business needs data, and presenting of the data, loading of the data, processing of the data, transforming of the data, all these things will be done by data engineers only. Okay, all this will be done by data engineers only. Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong here. No, it's not coming here, Hyderabad. No, it came now. So you can do one thing here. You can search for normal book my show. Sorry, we are having many other third-party websites, right, to book the flight tickets. If I go here, book flight tickets, then I'll get plenty of websites here. Make My Trip is giving you, and Easy My Trip is giving you, Go Ibibo is giving you. Okay, all these are the third-party websites which is giving you an option here. Okay, to search for the flights. If I say here from here to Dubai, for an example, okay, Dubai Sharjah, I want to travel it on 15th of February. Okay, done. One adult. Okay, that is fine. I'll say here, I'll go for economy class, premium economy, business class, first class, whatever it is. I'll say here done. I'll here search for flights. See, now I'm getting lot of flights. See, Air India is there, Indigo is there. See, Hyderabad, from Hyderabad to Sharjah, it is starting at 9 o'clock. Not 7 o'clock. 19 means 7 o'clock, and it is reaching at 21:40. Means in the night, same day, 4 hours, 10 minutes journey. The price is 13,000 rupees. Amazing, na? Correct or not? See, all this is what data only. This is all what data only. Correct or not? Correct? So every business needs data. See how many flights are there. Emirates is also there. Lot of flights are available. This is what data only, guys. This is all data only. Are you agreeing with me or not? Tell me. So every business you take, every business needs data only. So that's why data engineers are critically needed. Data engineers are critically needed for any business application. Okay. Data engineers are critically needed for any business application. For any business application. Okay. Without data engineers, no business application can be developed and deployed to the clients. This is the importance of data engineers, guys. Okay, fine. I believe you have understood this. I have tried to explain in a very simple way. Okay, fine. So everything is getting recorded here. No need to worry. Okay, you will get the recording links also. Fine. I'll stop the class here. Now, if there is any questions as such, you can post your questions, guys. Okay. I'll just try to address it. All right. So how is it going? Is it going good? Yeah. Yeah, fine. So yes, ADF is nothing but SSIS only. Prasad, if you want to see the syllabus, I'll just drop it syllabus PDF here for you. You can see what all the topics we are covering. In last class, we have discussed the complete syllabus only in detail. Okay. So if anyone wants to see the syllabus again, okay, you can go ahead and you can see it. Okay. This is the PDF. Okay. For our syllabus. If anyone wants to download it, please go ahead and download, guys. Go ahead and download. All right. So any questions, anyone? I have posted the syllabus already. Okay. Kirti, the roles and responsibility of data engineer is, you know, uploading the data, processing the data, loading the data, making the data ready to use. Okay. Transforming the data. Okay. Using ADF, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, storage services, page blob, append blobs. Okay. Table storage services, queue storage service. Okay. Azure storage accounts, these are all the services that you are going to work. Okay, these are all the roles and responsibilities that you are going to handle in your real-time project. Okay. Okay. Ramesh, regarding the class timing and all, you won't bother for it. Okay, we'll increase the time slowly. Okay, whatever the syllabus that we are showing, that will cover. Okay, no need to worry. So either you are taking class for 1 hour or more than 1 hour, whatever it is, we'll complete the syllabus, no worries. All right, Rajashekar, what level of PySpark will be covered in this course? What level of PySpark? You just check in the syllabus, Rajashekar, you will come to know. Okay, we are covering Databricks. In Databricks, we are using PySpark. We are using here Azure Synapse Analytics also in our course. So in Azure Synapse Analytics also, we are covering PySpark. Okay, so that you can check in the syllabus, Rajashekar. Previous class recordings, Satvika. I think admin will drop the previous class recordings. Admin will drop the previous class recording. Is it mandatory to get certification for job? Harsha, I believe getting knowledge is more important than getting certification. Okay, getting knowledge is more important than getting certification. Okay, so of course, certification will also help you out. Definitely, I'm not denying it, but getting knowledge is more important than getting certification. Please understand this. So first take up the course, Harsha, then later on we'll discuss about the certification and all these things. Okay, Sunil Kumar, I am a new joinee. Any prerequisites required for this course? Sunil, I have discussed this already. Let me put this recording links. I'll just talk to your batch admin. Hold on, 1 minute, hold on. We had two demo classes till now. In that two demo classes, I have explained all things in detail. So I request all of you guys to go to that recording links. Go to that recording. I think you are getting the recording link in the chats, in the mails also, I believe, right? The recording links you are getting in the mails, right? The admin is not answering the call actually. Hold on. I'll try to arrange the previous classes recordings for all you guys. Okay, just hold on. హలో. ఇది బ్యాచ్ అడ్మిన్ నా బ్యాచ్ జాయిన్ అయ్యలేదు. అది స్టూడెంట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఆహా! అదే నేను చెప్తున్నా. నాకు తెలుసు శుభం ఉంది అని. శుభం జాయిన్ చేయలేదు నా బ్యాచ్‌కి కొంచెం. ఎట్లా ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఏమో తెలీదు. ఒక నో, నో, ఒక పని చేయండి. ప్రీవియస్ 2 డెమో క్లాసెస్ అయింది నాది. కొంచెం అది డెమో క్లాసెస్ రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టు చాట్‌లో. హ్మ్. ప్రీవియస్ 2 డెమో క్లాసెస్ అయింది. అది డెమో క్లాసెస్ రికార్డింగ్ కొంచెం పెట్టు చాట్‌లో. ఓకే. రైట్. థాంక్ యూ. థాంక్ యూ. రైట్. Guys, I have told them to put the previous classes, previous two, only two demo classes we have done, just only two. The two demo classes recording, I asked them to put the links. So once they put the link, you can see that link and you can see the recordings. You will get all the details, guys. Okay. No, Rajashekar, it is online only. As of now, it is online only. Okay. Harsha, regarding the group, we'll create the group, but not now. Still, we are going with demo classes. Once we finalize the students, the people who have paid the fee, everything, then with them, we are going to create a group. Not now. Okay. Akhil, I have 6 years career gap, sir. I learned data engineer or not. So, what is this 6 years you have done, Akhil? Satvika, just hold on, ma. Have some patience, please. Acha, government jobs. So you have done the government jobs or you are preparing for government jobs for these years? Acha, you are preparing for government jobs. Okay, in that case, you can tell that you are doing some business. Don't tell like this, you are preparing for government jobs. 6 years is a very big time actually. Instead of that, you can say like, you are doing some business. Okay. In the interview, you can say you are doing some family business and all. You are a helping hand to your father or your brother, kind of. Okay. And due to COVID situation and all, the business went to some losses. And after that, it's not growing up. We are finding it not suitable. That's why I changed my mind and I'm planning to, start my career in IT industry. Like this, you can tell in the interview. Okay. Don't say preparing for government jobs and all that don't gives a good impression. If it says what business and all, just tell something about any business. It's not a problem. They won't go into deep when you are saying you have done a private business and all. Yeah, see guys, this is the video recording links for previous two demo classes. For previous two demo classes, this is the previous recording links. Please keep these links, save these links, and go ahead and watch the recording links, please. Go ahead and watch the recording links. Okay. Please watch these recordings. It's going to help you a lot. Okay. Sandeep joined the class today. Sandeep is there in the class today. Sandeep. Sandeep, can you please raise your hand if you are in the class? Sandeep. Sandeep, why are you not responding me? Sandeep, I'm exclusively waiting for you. Why are you not responding me? Sandeep, can I get the responses from you? Sandeep, I just wanted to know how was the class today from you especially. Is it good? Sandeep, please respond me. Okay. All right. So what is your background, Sandeep? Because I got to know that you have given a lot of negative feedback about the batch. You are saying that I am going very fast, something like that. So I just wanted to know how was the class today? No, see, if you want to tell, then tell me in the class itself only. Because from the batch admin, I got to know that you are saying like the class is going very fast, kind of. So is it going very fast, guys? Am I going very fast? Can I get the responses from others also? These things, these things I am explaining by writing, right? I'm writing every single thing in the notepad. I'm explaining. After that also, if you guys are feeling like I'm going slow, I'm going fast, then we have to take up this course like engineering or MCA for 3 years. Yeah. See, guys, at the end of the class, okay, definitely I'll ask you for any questions, any doubts. Okay. And that is my pattern normally. Without asking any doubts, any questions, without clarifying your doubts, I won't close the class. This is my promise. And please, whatever is the feedback from your end, please do let me know here in the class itself only. Don't go and don't give, you know, the surprising comments. Okay. I'm here to listen you. I'm here to take your feedbacks. Okay. Every single thing I'm writing in the notepad and I'm explaining. Even if after that also, if people are feeling like, going fast and all, that too not in front of me, they are not saying, then it will be very hurting, guys. So let me know. Be open with me. No problem. See, as I can see, plenty of people is responding me, no, sir, when I have asked for the speed. Okay. Because what is this? I am telecom engineer, 13 years of experience, how to grab this course to fit my future projects or assignments and what level if I ask about my career transformation. Because 13 years of experience you're having in telecom industry, right? Mm. So because first, what I suggest first learn this course. Okay, first learn this course. Okay, see what all the topics we are going to cover here. Okay, I have dropped the syllabus sheet, right? So just go to the topics here and see what all the topics we are covering. It's quick. It's too early to comment anything on it because. So what I suggest after 70-80% of the syllabus, okay, you will come to know, okay, whether you are fit for whether this technology is fit for you for your future or not. Definitely I can say here because I myself learned data engineering after 9 years of experience. Trust me. I myself learned data engineering after 9 years of experience. See, guys, there is no correct age to learn anything. If you are having a curiosity, if you are having a desire, if you are having a need, then you will learn any new technology in any age, in any level of experience. Believe me. Now I am putting my hands in AI. Believe me, guys. Now I am putting my hands in AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, I'm learning this now. I'm having I'm having 14 plus years of experience. Not only me, in my company, there are many people who are keeping their hands now in AI, open AI, because everyone is saying that this is now a compulsory skill that IT professional needs now, near future, maybe after 3, 4 years. So you have to keep learning, guys. Then only you will be relevant in the market. So, because definitely I must say that, give some time to yourself. Don't take rapid decisions like this because, see, it's life, it's not a movie. Because I'll tell you very frankly, okay, to take up any decision, okay, to come to any conclusion, you need time, you need some, what I can say, basically, you need some patience also. Okay. So 13 years experience means I must say that you are very much mature. Okay. So close to me only. Okay, little less than me, but give some time to yourself. Take this course, practice it, then you can decide what you can do with. Okay. And if you have done the job in telecom, just put this experience only. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. Until you are performing good in the interview, they are not bothered about your previous experience, about your previous domain knowledge and all. Maybe you will sacrifice a little in the salary point of view. Definitely, salary would be little that you have to compromise because they won't consider telecom field experience as an IT experience. So salary point of view might be you have to compromise definitely, but you can take a career start in IT industry with this technology. Asha. Actually, we are waiting to complete the course within 45 days, sir. No, in 45 days, it will not get complete, Harsha. I'll just talk very frankly. In 45 days, it will not get completed. We can take it as 50 days or more than 50 days because we are having Sundays also in between. Sundays is also there in between. Then holidays comes in between, like Republic holiday or kind of. So we can take 50 plus days only. Okay. Venunath, we are taking here DP203 certification. You can take two certifications after this course. Okay, AZ 900, Azure Fundamentals, and this one, what we can call it as DP203, Azure Data Engineering Certification. Yeah, we'll plan that, Harsha. Extra classes only we'll take. Saturdays, Sundays, we can take the classes. And Saturday's classes is there as usual. If you guys permit, we can take classes on Sundays also. No problem. So Sri Hari, this is actual classes only, ma. This is actual classes only. Only the demo classes we have given the name for it. Okay. One after the other. I'm just covering all these things. No need to worry. Okay. Vikas, you are going good with class and teaching. Okay, thank you, Vikas. Your comment makes me smile. Thank you so much. Sunil Kumar, sir, can I know the difference between is Azure Data Factory and other ETL tools like Informatica, Power Center, and all? See, in detail, we are going to read this, Sunil. In detail, we are going to read. As you have asked this question, I can tell you Azure Data Factory is far, far better. Okay, Azure Data Factory is too good compared to other ETL tools. Azure Data Factory is okay, giving you good performance. It is 100% secure. It is very economical. It is loading GBs and TBs of data in a couple of minutes. It is having lot of indicators pre-built adapters wherein you can fetch the data from variety of different source systems. You can make lot of connections with your cross platforms with Azure Data Factory. Like this, many benefits we are having with Azure Data Factory as compared to other ETL tools. And many things is being taken care by your cloud, Azure cloud provider when you're using Azure Data Factory. Whereas in other ETL tools, Sunil, there is lot of things that you are responsible for. Okay, fine. What is this, Sandeep More? Just explanation of questions need to be calm, not like irritating. I feel that I not said anything like that. You are going fast. Okay. No, actually, Sandeep More, I got this feedback from your batch admin saying that, I'm going fast and all. I literally got shocked saying that, how can I go fast? Like a student, school kids, I'm writing everything here. See how I'm writing here everything. I'm not telling orally also. I'm writing here everything so that when you guys will take a revision, na, see in the interviews they will ask you why they will what they will ask in the interviews, na, why you have learned data engineering. What is that the benefit that you have seen? what forcing you have seen in this technology, that you have learned this technology. So on such questions, these key points are important. These key points are very important. That's why I'll write these key points so that students can read it easily. All this is getting recorded in the interview, in the video recordings. So you can get it in tomorrow's class and you can do the revision. Even after writing this much, if getting like this, going fast and all, I literally got shocked. Okay, fine. And whatever is, guys, please speak it to me directly, put it in the chat. I'll definitely address it. Okay, is that clear? Okay, Srikant, what is this? I'm Srikant from USA. I joined late. Can you share what are the topics course includes for data engineering? Acha, Srikant, I am putting the syllabus for you. Just download this syllabus. Okay. Lot of comments, guys. Okay. See, guys, whoever has not downloaded it, please go ahead and download the syllabus sheet. Okay. Arvind, I have explained this already, ma. Please see the first demo classes, first and second demo class. The previous two classes, we have dropped the link also. Please see that you are going to get it. Okay. Okay. What is that I have replied you rudely, Sandeep? Can you please tell me? Harsha, sir, I'm unable to decide between Azure Data GCP. Many are saying GCP has less competition and more opportunities compared to Azure. See, Harsha, see, the point here I would like to make. I am teaching Azure Data Engineering. Okay, so now I cannot say Azure Data Engineering is best. Now you can say me that, sir, you are teaching Azure Data Engineering. That's why you are saying, Azure Data Engineering is best compared to GCP. So what I suggest you, you yourself do the survey. You yourself check the job opportunities, how it is and all. Okay, you yourself find it out. How many projects are there which are using Azure technologies as compared to GCP, Google Cloud? Then you can decide here. If I say you that Azure Data Engineering is best and all, then it comes something like I'm teaching Azure Data Engineering. That's why I'm saying you, to go for data engineering only, Azure Data Engineering. Okay, right? Just check the job opportunities for Azure Data Engineering and GCP and how many projects, how many tech companies are having projects in Azure cloud technologies as compared to GCP. Okay. Fine. I'm sorry, guys, I could not able to pronounce this name properly. Janan Ranjan. Janan Ranjan. Sir, I have 2 years of experience in Power BI. ADF is required for me or not? Yeah. Janan Ranjan, definitely ADF is required for you because you are already working in Power BI, right? So it's a backend technology. So if you learn ADF also, this gives you the complete end-to-end idea how the data is also getting processed. Power BI, what you are doing, you are presenting the data, you are preparing the reports, right? Dashboards you are preparing. If you learn ADF also, you will come to know how the data processing, data loading, data transforming is happening. This will give you the complete end-to-end package. So, Janan Ranjan, it is definitely needed for you. Okay. Manas, good morning, sir. I have just completed my full stack data science and AI course from Naresh ID just 1.5 month before, but didn't get any job till now. So will this course help me in my career growth and to get the job here? Okay. See, Manas, I'll tell you one thing. There is no guarantee that you will get a job in 1 month. Please be clear here. I'm just telling this to everyone. Okay, there is no guarantee that you will get job in 1 month, 1 week. Okay, it might take 4 months also. It might take 5, 6 months also. It purely depends upon your performance, how you are behaving, how you are talking, how you are answering, how much confident you are. Okay, it many factors are there, guys. No institute can give you a guarantee that if you take a training from them, then you will get job in 1 week. Okay. Until if there is some job guaranteed program. In job guaranteed program also, what they will do, they will try their best to arrange the interviews for you. And Naresh is a very big institute. Naresh is also having lot of, nexus with many of the tech companies. Okay, once you complete this course, we can give you the platform. We can arrange the interviews for you. But attending, doing the hard work, doing all the labs, doing all the assignments, life projects, whatever we are giving, that is completely from your end, guys. We can only teach, we can clarify your doubts, we can go with all the concepts and all, but preparing, doing the hard work, making the things ready from your end is completely in your plate. Okay. Okay, because in my project, Force also works on Azure Data Factory and Databricks. I can talk to manager, but things is how much I would be relevant to data engineering. Yeah. So please refer this syllabus because you will come to know very easily. Okay, fine. Gopi, the actual classes in the sense, Gopi, I'll start it. As per the syllabus, we are going it. Definitely, I'll start maybe in 1 or 2 days. I'll start the actual subject. See, Gopi, actually, the point is there are many people who are coming from different backgrounds, right? So I have to make them understand why data engineers are required, what is the importance of data engineering, why data engineering is existing in the market, why tech companies are using this technology. Correct, na? This foundation I have to make. Correct. If I am not making this foundation for you guys, then directly if I started the subject, it's something like college teaching. In college teaching also, what will happen? The faculty will come and he'll start teaching. The first chapter, first day, first problem, second problem solved. What is this? He won't discuss anything. This is not college teaching. Here I have to make your mind. Here I have to make your foundation. Here, see, even what I have taught today, this is an interview question only. They will ask you in the interview, why you have learned data engineering, why you have not learned any other technology. Okay. Harsha, we are giving sample resumes for you. Mock interviews, yes, you can check with Naresh Shetty for mock interviews. Okay, career guidance is also there, I believe. Check with Naresh Shetty for all these things, Harsha. And interview tips and tricks, I'm going to give it to you guys. Interview tips and interview tricks for every concept, module wise, I'll give it. What sort of interview questions could be asked? What interview questions can be expected from these topics? Like this, I'll cover in the class itself only when I'm teaching the topic. Okay. So guys, I request all of you to please go through the previous recordings. Okay, previous class recordings. We have dropped the links here. Okay, we have dropped the link. Okay, this is the link we are having for previous classes. Previous just 2 classes only we have done. Okay, so please go through this previous classes recording links and you can, get the complete idea what we have talked in our previous classes. Just 2 classes only we have done. Nothing great here. So this is the previous classes recordings links, guys. Please go ahead and okay, see these video recording links. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to all of you. Okay. See, guys, whatever is the feedback, please be open with me. Okay. That is my sincere request to all of you. Okay. I am ready to take any feedback, negative, positive, neutral. Okay. Manjula, what is that you have said? How this course will help for 3 years, 3 years experience, sir? Will you make us do any project? Okay. See, for 3 years experience, if you want to project 3 years of experience from this course, I can say for this question, depends upon your preparation, ma. Depends upon your preparation, how much you have prepared and all. Up to 3 years of experience you can manage with this course. Okay. And at the end of the course, like after we completed 70-80% of the course, Manjula, I'll tell you how you can talk in the interview. Okay. If you are showing 3 years of experience, then what you have to tell, what you have to mention in your resume, Okay, for 3 years experience, I'll definitely guide you. Not now, it's too early. Okay, we have not even started the actual syllabus also. And will you make us do any project? Yes, we are having kind of POCs, proof of concepts. That is kind of mini projects on every concept. Okay, this I have already told Manjula. That's why I dropped this video recording links. Please see this video regarding links. Go through these videos that we have done in our previous classes. Many of your questions will be answered from these videos. Please go through these videos. Many of your questions will be answered. What the questions you are asking, Manjula, already I have told this in the previous classes. Okay. Yes. Case studies means project only, na? Brapin. Yeah. Real time. See, the concepts, what we are covering in the lab itself only, I'll cover the real time scenarios. Brapin, in the lab itself only, we are covering the real time scenarios. I'll tell you. In your real-time project, you will get a scenario like this. Okay. And in that scenario, in that situation, you are going to do like this kind of lab. And that lab I'm going to show you. Like this, I'm going to tell you everything. Just be regular to classes. That's the only thing I'm having here. Just be regular to classes. That's the only thing. Okay. That helps you a lot. Fine. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye, everyone. We'll connect again tomorrow. Take care, guys. Have a nice day ahead.